Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we are seeing the chapter 4, that is weather and season. And we have studied in this lesson weather, climate, seasons, and in season we saw summer. But today we will discuss the remaining season that we have to study in this lesson. We will discuss about all the season except summer. Dear student, first of all we will discuss about monsoon. This is the season when monsoon winds blow and bring rain. Monsoon, this is a season when monsoon wind blow and bring rain. Yes student, in this time, in this season, monsoon winds blow and bring rain. So next is the raining or monsoon season lasts from July to September. Keep in mind this, you have to keep in mind that the rainy or monsoon season lasts from July to September. Dear student, it is the month of July and after that August and September. So these are the month when monsoon season or rainy season lasts July to September. But some part of South India, yes student, some part of South India also get rainfall during October and November. Some parts of South India also get rainfall during October and November. We are talking about, when we talk about the North India, and for the North India and the maximum part of India last from rainy season lasts from July to September. But some part of South India, in South India some parts are there that get rainfall during October and November. So October and November, in these both months, some part of South India enjoys rainy season. The rain is welcomed by farmers as it helps them to grow crops. Yes student, as we know, who have a great need of rainwater, answer will be farmer. And our country India is agricultural land, and more than 62% population is doing farming work. And agriculture is also called the backbone of our economy. So rain is welcomed by farmers as it helps them to grow crops. For irrigation there is need of water. When water, or you can say rainfall is there, no need to give water from tubewell or from any other sources. So it is welcomed by everyone, but especially here we are talking about the farmers. And next is autumn. Yes student, this is a season with pleasant weather. This is a season with pleasant weather condition lasting from October to November. October to November, autumn season. Autumn season lasting from October to November, the weather is, this season is neither hot nor cold. Yes student, in these both months October to November, October and November, neither too much hot and nor too much cold is there, Many trees shed their leaves in this season. Many trees shed their leaves in this season. So you can see here, and after that winter. Winter is the cold season. Winter is the cold season. Dear student, in these seasons you have to keep in mind the month, in month which season will be there. So we are talking about winter. Winter is the cold season. November to February are the winter month. So my dear student, in this line it is important that November to February there is winter season, are the winter months. During these months the days are shorter. During these months, yes student, in winter season, in winter time we enjoy cold and we get sunlight for short period of time. So we can say here the days are shorter and nights are longer in winter time. The days are shorter and nights are longer in winter time. So shorter and the nights people wear warm woolen clothes. Yes student, people used to warm woolen cloths to protect themselves from winter and cold, and people also like to sit by the fire. People also like to sit by the fire. ठंड के समय में बेटा जो लोग हैं वो आग के सामने बैठते हैं. फायर ईट ग्राउंड नट. और ठंड के समय में ज़्यादातर क्या खाया जाता है? मूंगफली. मूंगफली खाई जाती है और आग के पास बैठा जाता है. विंटर इज़ कोल्डर इन द नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. विंटर इज़ colder in northern part of India than the southern part. In comparison with southern part, northern India enjoy too much cold. Why? Because southern India there is peninsula, and you can say the southern India is surrounded by water bodies from three sides. So this is the reason. And in some part of North India it snow. Some part of North India it snow. It's snowfall is there in some part of North India. Many times I saw snowfall in Nainital. So it is very enjoying moment to see the view of snowfall. And next is spring. In spring the weather remains pleasant. The weather remains pleasant. Pleasant means beta anandayak. Pleasant means anandayak. It is neither hot nor cold. There is neither hot nor cold season. March and April are the spring months. March and April, which months are spring month? March and April. In the season for showing crops. This is the season for showing crop. Means ये जो समय है बेटा वो फसल लगाने का समय होता है. इस समय जो है किसान है वो बीज डालते हैं खेतों में. In spring, nature is at its best with flower blooming. In springtime, in spring season, nature at its best with flower blooming and trees growing new leaves. Spring season के समय में बेटा पेड़ों पे नई नई पत्तियाँ आती हैं और हर तरफ फूल खिले हुए होते हैं, ऐसे लगता है कि पूरी धरती को प्रकृति ने सजा के रखा है। सो स्प्रिंग इज़ वेरी प्लीजेंट, यू कैन से आनंददायक सीज़न है। सो it's all about our today's class. And my dear student, your exam is about to start, PT exam. So prepare yourself for the PT exam, and if you want to get good marks and you are going to, if you are willing to do your best, so read, listen carefully each and every line of the book, because question there will be from inside the book. Don't, you have to learn exercise part, but you have not to depend on only exercise portion. So do all the question answer, do read all the lines properly and prepare yourself for the exam properly. So enjoy your day and have a nice day.